the power of the right affiliate marketing presence online. Affiliate marketing is the process where a revenue sharing plan is implemented online using an automated marketing program which lets webmasters place an advertiser's ads or links on their website. This video can help you understand this simple, yet also complex method of marketing and publicizing your business, product and services. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. Pick a layout for your site that matches the image you want to portray. You want to make sure the style of your site matches the items that are on it. You don't want to throw viewers off by having a site that looks nothing related to the types of products that are available on it. Make sure to allow for time to work on your site, especially early on. All affiliate marketers have a goal of owning a work-free site, but getting there takes time. In the beginning, spend some time developing your graphics, updating your design, and doing some research. You'll see a better payoff in the end. To make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to focus your time and energy on meeting your customers' interests. When they find that your page contains information they want, they are also going to be interested in the ads you have about the same subject. As it has been explained above, affiliate marketing has many benefits as well as many ways to utilize it. There are many different ways to go about affiliate marketing and all can be quite successful. By understanding the information in this video, you can decide how affiliate marketing can work for your business. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.